Number 1.
1975 Ford F150, price $9,500, showing 77,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with a manual transmission and finished in a matching blue exterior and blue interior. This classic truck runs and drives, but it will need some routine servicing, especially since the tires are quite old and should be replaced for safer operation. Powered by a factory big block gasoline engine, it offers the strong performance these trucks are known for, and it also benefits from not requiring smog inspection, which adds convenience for the next owner. In addition to its drivetrain and mileage, the truck comes fully loaded with extra factory options that enhance its usability and overall value. It carries a clean California title, and the interior remains in notably nice condition for its age, reflecting that it has been reasonably well cared for over the years.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It has approximately 269,000 miles on its 4.3-liter V6 engine and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a fresh metallic navy blue paint job completed in 2024, the truck features a gray interior and runs on gasoline. It has been lowered 4 inches and updated with numerous new components, including a new 4 Seasons LTAC compressor, a 4 Seasons accumulator kit with an orifice tube, refrigerant oil, and a cap and valve kit, along with new R134 refrigerant. Additional recent maintenance includes a new Continental HVAC blower motor, a Dorman blower motor control module, a new Fel Pro valve cover gasket, a Fel Pro oil pan gasket, new STP5W30 oil and filter, a new Gates serpentine belt, a WAX fuel filter, NGK spark plug wires, and a Spectre premium fuel tank filler neck.
It also has a new ACT-Delco PCV valve and new Trico wiper blades.
The truck has been converted to aftermarket power windows while retaining manual door locks, offering a blend of modernization and classic functionality.
Number 3.
1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,500, powered by a 5.7L engine paired with a 5-speed NV4500 transmission and a 10-bolt rear end, offering a strong and classic drivetrain setup. The motor has just a little over 6,000 miles since its rebuild and includes a mild cam for improved performance. All major components, the engine, transmission, and rear end, were serviced less than 500 miles ago, ensuring everything is in excellent mechanical condition. The truck's frame remains solid, the body shows only minimal rust for its age, and the bed is practically rust-free, which is increasingly rare for a vehicle from this era. It sits on 15x8 aluminum wheels and has been fitted with a new battery, adding to its readiness for daily use.
It runs and drives exceptionally well. Number 4.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It retains the appeal of old-school craftsmanship while still performing reliably on the road. Equipped with a manual 4x4 transmission, it offers the kind of engagement and capability that enthusiasts appreciate, especially for those who enjoy a more hands-on driving experience. The truck comes with 2 hoods, both the original and an aftermarket cowl hood, giving the next owner flexibility in terms of style and customization. Its interior remains in good condition for its age, reflecting careful ownership and adding to the truck's overall usability and comfort. Altogether, this 92 Chevy 1500 presents itself as a clean, dependable classic truck with solid mechanical behavior, desirable manual 4x4 setup, and thoughtful extras that make it stand out among other OBS models.
Number 5.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,400, features a manual transmission, a white exterior with a gray interior, and is powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual. It is a 2WD truck with around 311,000 miles. It has a clean title, tags valid until next year, and runs well as the owner's daily driver. Recent maintenance includes new shocks, a new starter, and a full tune-up.
The truck also comes with a 4-inch spindle lift, 33-inch tires, side exit exhaust, and a C-notch for lowering if desired.
Several sensors have already been replaced, and it includes an uninstalled front-end suspension rebuild kit. Some issues are noted. The freeze plugs have a minor leak but are temporarily patched, the driver door hinge needs a repair kit, the clutch pedal pin needs fixing, and the check engine light remains on due to a few sensors.
Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, equipped with a 5.7 Vortec engine that currently has around 125,000 miles, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth and reliable driving. It features a green exterior matched with a gray interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. As a 2WD model, it has been kept in good condition, with both the interior and body remaining clean and well maintained. Although the dashboard shows 200,000 miles due to a previous dash swap, the replaced 5.7 engine truly carries only 125,000 miles. Recent maintenance includes brand new tires, a fresh oil change, and new spark plugs and wires, ensuring that the truck runs strong and is ready for daily use or long-distance driving.
Number 7.
1995 Nissan Hardbody, price $6,999, finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior, has accumulated 205,000 miles. Powered by a manual 5-speed transmission and running on gasoline, it delivers that classic, hands-on driving experience hardbody fans love. Power steering isn't part of the package, giving the truck its signature old-school feel. Despite its age, this hardbody is impressively clean. It carries a few minor imperfections, but those small marks only add to its character and charm. Reliable and loyal, it's the kind of truck that's equally ready to haul work gear during the day or take someone out for dinner at night. Every hardbody has its quirks, and this one is no exception. Even the door handles sometimes like to play hide and seek, feeling almost like a secret handshake for those who truly appreciate the hardbody legacy.
Number 8.
1974 Jeep J10, price $10,000, it has 126,000 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission, a yellow exterior, a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. It has been a one-owner California truck since new, previously owned by an elderly man who kept it stored in his barn. Although it has been sitting for several years, the V8 engine still starts, and the truck has recently received brand new tires, fresh fuel, a new battery, and new oil. This particular model is the super rare 401 V8, featuring a standard cab, four-wheel drive, and a fully bone-stock, original configuration with no modifications whatsoever. It remains a genuine classic Jeep, one that is increasingly hard to find today. The seller also holds a clean title in hand, adding confidence to its authenticity and provenance.
Number 9.
1987 Ford F250, price $5,900, equipped with an automatic transmission and features a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior, running on gasoline. With only 47,000 miles on the odometer, the truck is considered low mileage for its age, and it continues to run and drive smoothly. The air conditioning system works properly, providing a comfortable cabin experience, and the vehicle has recently been fitted with 4 brand new tires to ensure better stability and road performance. As a long bed model, it offers generous cargo capacity, making it suitable for hauling or work-related use. Additionally, the truck is up to date on paperwork, with registration tags valid through 2026, adding extra convenience for the next owner.
Number 10.
1961 Ford F100, price $10,000, it retains its original patina along with a clean Nevada title. The truck received a freshly rebuilt 312 Ci-30 over Thunderbird Y-block engine, which was installed at around 5,000 miles after the original owner accidentally ran the factory engine out of oil, causing a throne rod. The replacement Thunderbird Y-block was rebuilt from top to bottom and now runs like a Swiss watch. Structurally, it is extremely solid with very minimal rust, a small amount on the step plates entering the cab and a bit in front of the rear fenders. The frame and underside remain super solid and rust-free, reflecting the truck's well-preserved condition as an original, unrestored example.